What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we've got the brand new EWEADN X99. This is another tri-mode keyboard, mechanical keyboard, and I'm really excited to check this one out. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. That's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is in the box. So EWEADN is a brand new collaborator. I haven't actually worked with them in the past, but I was really excited to see their keyboards because they look very high quality. So here we have the protective covering, so that's always nice to see. Let's go ahead and take that off and take a look at what's inside. We have the X99 mechanical keyboard instruction manual here, or operating guide I should say. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the keyboard out and set this aside for now because I want to show you what else is in the box, because there's usually some accessories here on the bottom, and yep, there are. So first things first, we have some replacement switches here. So we have 3 replacement mechanical switches. We've got a switch puller and a keycap puller, so that's always nice that they include these, and this has nice little rings, so it kind of makes a little fidget spinner almost. That's kind of cool. And then we have the USB-C cable. So these have plastic coverings on it as well to keep them nice and clean. And then Velcro wrap around it with the logo EWEADN right there. There you go. And now we can take a look at the keyboard itself. So this is actually pretty weighty. If you look at the bottom here, you'll see that it has a nice little chunk of metal here that adds some weight to it. This is also going to store the battery, so it does have a pretty hefty battery in here. Let's go ahead and do the peel here. Ooh, very nice. So this is a really nice, clean steel kind of, or aluminum plate here. And then let's take a look at the keyboard itself. So this one matches our other keyboard that we just got, but it has a few other features. We can see on the left, we can actually switch between the 3 different modes with this switch here, and then we can switch between Mac and PC with that switch. So that's pretty useful. We also have a volume knob, so we can, or kind of a scroll wheel, I guess you'd say. You can scroll up or down for volume. If we take a look at the back here, we have a USB-C port. And then for the 2.4 gigahertz, because again, we don't see any 2.4 gigahertz adapters here, it's actually stored right in the back of the device. So if I open this up and pull this out, we've got the EWEADN 2.4 gigahertz adapter, and it's stored nice and safely here. So when this is closed, you're not going to accidentally have that fall out and lose it. Speaking of the back here, we also have height adjustment in 3 stages, so we can have it flat and use this grip here, or we can pull out the shorter one and it has its own grip, or the tallest one and it has its own grip as well. And I just dropped the adapter, but that's why it's good to have it here tucked away nice and safely. And it does snap in so that it won't actually fall out, so I didn't realize that. If you pull this out and then place it in, there's a bit of resistance at first, and that's why it can fall out. But if you just push it, it goes in and it doesn't actually fall out. So that's cool. Here's what the keys sound like. Very nice. But yeah, this is the EWEADN X99 tri-mode mechanical keyboard. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Thank you so much to EWEADN for sending this over, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below. Have a good one. Peace.
Hit the deck, he's the quickest in the West. Cycle the reps, he is simply the best. MikeTheTech, the architect. That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or 2 about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect.